death toll in the Vyapam scam is rising by the day. 3 deaths in 3 days has seen the death toll now cross 40. The latest victim is a trainee sub-inspector, Anamika Kushwaha, who was selected through the centralized state entrance examination. Now, he committed suicide in a pool at the Jawaharlal Nehru Training Centre in Madhya Pradesh's Sagar district.
You're either committing suicide or you're being found dead. That's very strange, because the rising death toll in this case has resulted in a huge political backlash for the BJP government, especially Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The opposition, led by the Congress, is vehemently demanding Chauhan's resignation for his failure to initiate a CBI probe into this entire matter. The Congress has also demanded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi take moral responsibility for the rising death toll. The Supreme Court has also agreed to hear a petition asking for the removal of Governor Ram Naresh Yadav to ensure a fair inquiry into this entire scam. Yadav was named as an accused in the scam last year, but was then removed from the case because his office entitles him to immunity from investigation.
Series of deaths, including those of journalists, educationists and so many others. In these circumstances, we think it appropriate that the Supreme Court takes suo motu action and orders an appropriate probe to be monitored by the Supreme Court.
मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि इसका कोई एक एजेंसी जांच कर लेगा तो क्या होगा, लेकिन है ये एक विचित्र घटना। कोई और भी इंडिपेंडेंट एजेंसी जांच करे या जो कुछ भी जांच करे, सीधे कोर्ट की मॉनिटरिंग में कोई जांच हो।
Vyapam case is getting murkier and murkier, mysterious and mysterious every passing day. And nobody can have any confidence in the government of Madhya Pradesh headed by BJP.
The Madhya Pradesh government's chief, the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Shivraj Chauhan's name has also been deeply involved in the entire scam. It is absolutely impossible to believe that while he continues as Chief Minister, any justice will be done.
2 दिन पहले एक जांबाज पत्रकार अक्षय की संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में मृत्यु हुई। उसके बाद कल एक डॉक्टर अरुण जो है वो सुबह सोए हुए पाए गए, मृत पाए गए, जो इसी व्यापम पर काम कर रहे थे। और आज सुबह एक सब इंस्पेक्टर ने खुदकुशी की है संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में। तो दैनिक रूप से ये जो आंकड़ा बढ़ता चला जा रहा है हत्याओं का, ये बहुत गंभीर मामला है। और दोनों ही केसेस में हमने देखा है कि एनडीए के टाइम में, यूपीए के टाइम में सरकारें अपने निजी टूल की तरह सीबीआई को इस्तेमाल करती रही हैं।
विषय पे जब वो आए थे, जब उन्होंने उद्घाटन किया था, तब उन्होंने कहा था कि कोई भी क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी हो, कोई भी गैंग्स की एक्टिविटी हो, माफिया की एक्टिविटी हो, उस पर हम ध्यान देंगे, उसे हम रोकेंगे और हम लोग उसका लगेंगे।
बात किया ना, कल गृह मंत्री जी ने बात किया, आपको तो आपने ही तो जानकारी दिया ना। That's why Home Minister has spoken to the Chief Minister. He's concerned. That is why he has spoken to Chief Minister for the action. Details will be known. I cannot comment on a subject which I don't know about the status of the inquiry.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.